Hey folks, this is Jordan with my strategic forecast Inside the Numbers Live. And I wanted to make this video for you today to show kind of the power of what we have for the Inside the Numbers Live trading room. Now, we all know that David's got some fantastic numbers and trades that he provides, but I wanted to show you how we're able to utilize that in real time for Inside the Numbers, especially today because in the live room, we were able to trade the market on the long side, and that was pretty difficult, especially with the tape working against us for, almost the entire day. So I want to walk you through two particular trades that actually both occurred by 10:30. So we were out of the trades completely, walked away with a nice profit, and I want to show you how these played out. So I want to start you by showing you one of the first levels that we traded, which was $423.50. And that was the first trade. And here you're going to hear my voice in the background of the actual live trading room. Order filled. All right, so I'm going to start easing into the position one contract at a time around the 423.40. So I bought one. I'll add another as it gets closer. As David pointed out, it's a give or take, so you kind of want to be, yeah. And we've also seen them come up a little short. Now, that's why I only took one of the contracts. See, this is me hopefully learning a lesson from the other day. Order filled. All right, I just added one more. A little bit within the realm. Okay, so at this point, folks, you'll be able to see the profit and loss up here at the top, and you'll be able to see the individual trades execute down here at the bottom in the screen. So let's tag along and find out how it goes. Okay, so I added my last piece there where it got in and hit it, so I'm good with it. And now we'll see what happens. One thing I do like to watch from time to time, I think I've mentioned this, is the tick chart. And I like to see how it performs near the zero line. So the zero, once it gets above zero, it tends to be a reasonable indicator of how, at least the more so the Russell than anything else. Now the Qs are still heading lower. So what I would like to see is the 424.40 hold while the Qs push into this next spot here. Let's see if I can get this to work right. All right, so we're getting a nice little bounce here.
Order filled.
And I took one off the table there. I still got another two. I'd like to see them try and get to that 45.
Order filled.
All right, got my next one off. So now I've locked in a good amount of profits with a nice runner. So let's see if we can get a little more out of it. Actually, I'm all right with where it is.
Order filled.
Yeah, so I'm out. Nice trade for me. I'm happy with it. Now let's take a look at the second trading level we took.
Order filled.
Okay, so I added right there around the 75. And I'm not going to try for too much here because I already had a good day. So you can see a little snapback and the tick. Again, I'd like to see this provide a better bounce here.
Order filled.
Okay, I took 5 points on the first contract. And I have my stop loss on the second. So I want to see if I can get something running here. Is TCOM still on? It can be, yeah. It just depends on if and when it gets there. All right. So I've got everything squared up there for the MES. And it looks like it'll probably stop me out, but who knows? Yep, stopped out. No harm. Made a couple extra bucks there. So thanks for joining us. I really love teaching and moderating the live room because it gives me a chance to help traders become better every single day. This was a perfect example of how I was able to take a trade in live, real time, and have everybody else follow along and see what happens. Because ultimately it's about making you a more successful trader. So we would absolutely love to have you inside the numbers live. I'm Jordan at My Strategic Forecasts Inside the Numbers Live. Thanks for watching.